Alrighty guys, we're out here with the Potensic Wisp. It's wispy. I'll put some full screen video in there and we'll go with that. Let's take off. Okay, I got the trim going. Let me turn the rate up. Okay, that's the third speed. And to be honest with you, it's still kind of slow. I got the video going, and from the screen, it don't look that hot, so. Yeah, the video looks pretty crappy to me. I mean, that's just my opinion, right? And it's slow, man. I mean, this thing's slow. For having 3 rates, wow. That thing is slow as molasses. Let's see if, oh wait a minute, that's not a flip. It does this spinorama thing. Then you hit the button again to stop it. Yeah, it's, boy, I really thought this was going to be a decent flying quadcopter, but man, it's kind of really lethargic and slow, you know? I was expecting a lot more out of this thing, believe me. I'm pretty disappointed, to be honest with you. Wow. Very surprised. I thought this thing was going to be way nicer than this. You never know, right? So anyway, on there is the takeoff, land, and the photo and video button. Then the your emergency stops there. Then here's your trims. And on the back is your rates and okay, so it has this fighting mode where it sounds like, I'll get it closer, where it sounds like machine gun fire. If you hit these 2 little battle crosses over here. Well, I might shoot myself after flying this thing. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty crappy, to be honest. It's very slow. Wow, I can't get over how slow it is. I mean, that's in the 3rd rate, guys. You know? There's a flip, and to do that you just press in the right stick to the direction you want it to go. Yeah. So yeah, it's pretty crappy, to be honest. Oh yeah, it's miserable. No, I don't even know if I want to fly the rest of the battery. Hopefully it won't last much longer. It's pretty painful to fly this thing, trust me. It is no fun at all flying this quadcopter. None, zero. Now there's just a little bit of a breeze going that way, so it's fighting this very minor headwind, and boy, is it struggling. Okay, I'm gonna cut the video at 5 minutes. So there it is, hovering. It's very erratic. The optical flow on it is very erratic. So we're just gonna let it ride out here. I'll put that little clock in there so you can see what the time is. But like I said, it's you see how it just drifts around? Yeah. Boy, I was really expecting a lot more out of this thing. Man. See, you just never know, man. You just never know. Very erratic. Trim it this way. You got to keep re-trimming it. The trim don't hold. Yes. Okay, the flips are still working, so that means the well, there goes the low battery indicator. So thank God it's over. I just want to land it because it's so annoying to fly. Okay, it's such a crap. Yeah, this thing's a real crapper, man. Wow. Very disappointed in that thing. Wow. Give me a break. All right, guys, there you go. The Potensic Wisp. It's a pile of junk. Okay, have a nice day.
That's all, folks.